Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing. Checking out these Malacasa porcelain bowls. This is a set of 4 26-inch or 26-ounce bowls, I'm sorry. Let's see if we can get them out of here. There we go. Nice packaging. All right, so these are just plain white porcelain bowls, and microwave and dishwasher safe. Quite elegant here. Be able to go with pretty much any other thing you have there. Just styrofoam all over on these. So we have a couple of them. Okay, so these are perfect. Put like a ramen in here, throw them in your microwave, heat it up, perhaps a oatmeal, just a bowl of fruit. And these are nice white bowls here too. Looks like lots of pinglings on here. So there we have that. Right there. There's the bottom of the bowl too. Just shows this Malacasa porcelain little thing there. Okay, so these seem relatively nice. Looks like I have a little anomaly on this one here, this edge. I don't know if it got, maybe, looks like it might have got damaged in shipping or something, unfortunately. So other than that, yeah, just a nice little bowl set here for whatever. Like that, just a plain white look just pretty much matches anything, no matter what kind of dinner set that you have. White, black, neutral colors just go with all your dinner sets or whatever. So here's a nice little bowl set, and they stack decently too, so don't take up a whole lot of room, but fairly good sized bowls as well. So yeah, I think I might just use one, put a ramen in there or something, throw it in the microwave and test that out. Well, here we go. So we just popped a ramen packet in here. Got a nice spicy seafood ramen there. And just put it in the microwave for 3 minutes with some water, obviously. And then we have it. Perfect size. The bowl's going to be a little hot, obviously, putting in there. Then I washed the other bowls. So yeah, like I said, like perfect portion size for like maybe some fried rice or a fruit salad or oatmeal, anything like that. And elegant, little plain and simple. I thought it had been damaged during shipping, but apparently not. It's just a little bit of an anomaly in the porcelain, but that is fine. They're not going to be, I think these are handmade maybe, so they're not going to be like perfectly perfect, but a little bit of just a little character in the bowls. Anyways, my friends, a nice little set of bowls here. Thanks so much for watching this review. Hope it's helpful. You guys have a great day, and I will see you all next time.